Hi, I'm Jamie. I have been in Dubai here for 6 years. I specialise in working with investors in trying to help them identify properties to renovate and resell. The reason we've picked this particular property was a few factors. One being location, right in the middle of Dubai Marina, attached to the mall. Number two is branded, so it's always going to have good value. And number three, high floor with incredible view. Well, Dubai real estate market for 2024 had the highest ever transaction volume. It's had the most turnover, most revenue that's ever been put through the land department. So it's a very busy and booming market, not only in primary, like off-plan stuff that's been launched by developers, but also secondary. So secondary market transactions have exploded in 2024 and they've not slowed down at the start of 2025 as well. Buying, renovating and reselling is a quicker process, in my opinion. If you can get something that's vacant, it can happen a lot quicker. So you can, for example, this property was vacant when we got it. It's taken a couple of months to renovate and we're going to be able to resell it, hopefully very quickly. Off-plan can be a longer process. So from the time that it's launched, if there's enough excitement around the project, you'll be able to resell it very quickly. However, a lot of investors know that it's just launched and they don't want to pay a big premium to get that property then and there. So it could be another year, maybe year 2, 3 years even down the line when it gets closer to handover. That's when you see a lot more traction on those projects. If you're looking to do a renovate and flip project anywhere in Dubai right now, you'll be able to renovate and resell. Things to look for in a particular project is something branded is always good. Location is obviously super important. View, whether it's a view of a water, a golf course, parks, greenery, whatever it may be, view is huge. And when it's villa, plot sizes, that's something, all those things you can't change. You can't change a plot size, you can't change the location, and you can't change the view. So if you have 2 out of those 3 boxes ticked and you get the right price, you're probably more than likely going to be able to renovate and resell. Because Dubai's real estate market is so busy right now, the distress sales don't get to the market, they don't get to advertising. They're often sold way before. One piece of advice would be for anyone looking to renovate and resell, make sure you're ready, because when you find the right one, you need to act quickly. So whether it's have the cash here in the country, make sure the mortgage approval is in place, make sure you know what you're going to do and when, be as prepared as you can because they move so quickly. With this particular apartment, the color schemes, the layout, the furniture, it's going to appeal to everyone. No one's going to walk in here and go, I don't like these colors, I don't like the furniture, I don't like the way the apartment's set out. I am very excited to get this property on the market and hopefully we find the perfect buyer at the right price.